Nobody believed this was real until they broke through the rock. Romania, 1986. Scientists drilling for construction accidentally cracked open a cave sealed for 5 million years. No sunlight had ever touched this place. No oxygen, no connection to life as we know it. What they found inside wasn't supposed to exist. 48 creatures found nowhere else on Earth. Blind, translucent, built to survive in total darkness. The air was poison, thick yellow mist that burned your lungs, glowing green pools of acid, an alien world beneath our feet. Scientists who entered reported seeing things that weren't there, hallucinations in the dark. The cave was changing their minds. These creatures had been evolving in complete isolation for 5 million years, Earth running its own secret experiment. No human watching, no sunlight feeding it, just pure chemistry creating life from poison. This cave proves something terrifying. Life doesn't need our rules. It finds a way even in hell.